So student, today we will start our next topic, that is oogenesis. Oogenesis is what? The process of formation of female gamete or ovum by the gamete mother cell or oogonia. So how the process is going on? Now we will start to study. At the time of oogenesis, oogonia means gamete mother cells are start to develop at the time of embryonic development in female body. Yes, the process of oogenesis is remarkably different from the process of spermatogenesis, because as I told you earlier just now, that the oogonia or gamete mother cell are start to develop at the time of embryonic development in female body. So at that time, couple of millions of female gamete mother cells are formed, and how the next process is going on, I summarize over here. So what happened? These numerous oogonia or female gamete mother cells are formed, and after that, with the mitotic division, they differentiate mitotically and form primary oocyte. Earlier formed oogonia या gamete mother cell mitotically differentiate into primary oocyte. After the conversion of oogonia to primary oocyte, they remain suspended. They arrest for some time. They arrest their growth for some time, and afterward, suppose this is primary oocyte. Afterward, after some time, they develop a layer around them, and this single layer that they develop around them is made up from granulosal cell. So these primary oocyte, when enclose themselves with single layer of granulosal cell, at this time it is referred as primary follicle. This primary oocyte, when develop around them a single granulosal layer, then it is referred as primary follicle. After some time, primary follicle develop into secondary follicle. When primary follicle develop into secondary follicle, some changes also going on. And what are these changes? These single layer of granulosal cell become multi-layer, and one additional layer are also formed, that is theca layer. So what happened? When primary follicle develop into secondary follicle, then what changes are going on? The changes what? This single layer of granulosal cell become multi-layer, and one additional layer, that is theca layer, also develop, and this stage is what? Secondary follicle. Soon after secondary follicle, there is a development, next follicular phase, that is tertiary follicle develops. What is tertiary follicle? When secondary follicle develop into tertiary follicle, then what happened? This theca layer further divided into two layers at the time of tertiary follicle development. This theca layer develop into two layers. The innermost is theca internal, and the outermost is theca external. And with this, a fluid filled cavity that we are referred as antrum also taking place, also start to appear in them, and this is what the developmentary stage of follicle, from primary follicle to secondary follicle to tertiary follicle. That tertiary follicle is characterized by fluid filled cavity antrum, and theca divided into two layers. Innermost is theca interna and outermost is theca externa. At this stage, till the stage of tertiary follicular development, the primary oocyte that remain inside these follicle has completed their first meiotic division and developed secondary oocyte and first polar body. Remember, the the division that taking place during oogenesis is very different, especially the meiotic division that takes place during this oogenesis is very different from the process of spermatogenesis, because this primary oocyte completed their first meiotic division till the development of primary follicle to tertiary follicle proceeds. And after the completion of first meiotic division, these primary oocyte further form secondary oocyte and one first polar body. Yes, these primary oocyte after the completion of first meiotic division form secondary oocyte, that is one cell, and another is first polar body, that is another cell. And this division completed till these primary follicle to tertiary follicle developmentary stage. Then secondary oocyte further develop a additional layer in them, that is zona pellucida. Secondary oocyte means developing ovum, that further develop a layer, that is zona pellucida around them. And meanwhile, the tertiary follicle means what? The envelope over the ovum. Ovum means initially it is known as secondary oocyte. Ovum, that is initially known as secondary oocyte. So, secondary oocyte develop an additional layer, that is known as zona pellucida, and meanwhile the envelope, that is tertiary follicle, that contain the reserve food material of primary oocyte. Tertiary follicle that contain the reserve food material of primary oocyte, and at this time it is referred as mature follicle. It is referred as mature follicle or Graafian follicle. And secondary oocyte develop into ovum and another cell form, that is second polar body. What is the function of first polar body? What is the function of second polar body? Till now it is not known. What is the function? It is unknown. It is not clear till now. And at the time of ovulation, this mature follicle, Graafian follicle ruptures and ovum released out. So this is what the process of oogenesis.